Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Oxygen U, a robust and free Lua script executor for Roblox. This powerful tool allows you to customize your gameplay, automate tasks, and enhance your overall experience. It provides a clean, intuitive interface designed for seamless script injection, making advanced modifications accessible to everyone. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced scripter, Oxygen U offers a straightforward path to modifying your Roblox adventures. To begin, you will need to download the Oxygen U application from a reliable source. It is often necessary to temporarily disable your antivirus software during this process, as executors can sometimes trigger false positive warnings. Once downloaded, extract the files and run the main executable as an administrator. This ensures that Oxygen U has the necessary permissions to function correctly on your system, preparing it for script execution. With Oxygen U installed, first open Roblox and join any game you wish to modify. Next, open Oxygen U and navigate to its built-in script editor. Here, you can paste a script you found or write your own Lua code. After your script is ready, click the Inject button to connect Oxygen U to the game, followed by the Execute button to run your script instantly within the game environment. To get the most out of Oxygen U, explore its integrated script hub, which offers thousands of community-made Lua scripts for various games. The multi-tabbed editor allows you to work on multiple scripts simultaneously, enhancing your workflow. Additionally, consider enabling useful settings such as the FPS unlocker for a smoother gaming experience or auto-attach for quicker injection into games. These features help optimize your scripting and gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.